Hello everyone.
Hi.
Welcome back to Doodledollarz. This is Courtney and today, guys, we have our Freebie Fridays that we're going to be doing. I don't think you've ever done this one with me, Aria, have you?
No.
Okay, so we are going to start off with updating our tracker here for our YouTube subscribers. So we have 790 now. So you're going to color 1, 2, 3.
That's how many people are watching?
That's how many people are subscribed, yeah. So you're going to color these 4, not this one at the end, okay? So on Freebie Fridays, I don't actually have any freebies today, guys, for you to share with you, but I will link another video with a bunch of freebies from a while ago. I've just had a busy week and have not had time to, get freebies for y'all, but there are so many out there. The ones linked in the other video have freebies that they're giving out all the time, so go check it out. If you're not signed up on Ko-fi, that's where I get all of them. So you go check out Ko-fi. You can just search
like that.
Budgeting freebies.
Look, I made them so shiny.
Good job, honey. You did it so well. And you'll find a bunch of stuff. So I will try to have some more for y'all next week. But today we have 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones and 2 spicy 5s. And can you mix the spicy 5s in here? We'll put this aside. Can you mix the spicy 5s into the ones? In the middle, yeah. It doesn't matter where, but somewhere in the middle. Okay.
Put it anywhere.
Yeah, anywhere in the middle. So that's our spicy 5, one of our spicy 5s. So whatever challenge gets that one gets $5 whole. Yeah. Okay, so do you know what these challenges are for, Aria?
What?
These are all for our holidays. So can you guess what this one is for? This one.
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day. Yeah, what about this one? St. Patrick's Day. What about this one?
Christmas.
Not Christmas. Valentine's Day again. What about this one?
Christmas.
Yeah, what about this one?
Easter.
Uh-huh, and this one, it might be a little hard to tell. This one is Christmas too. It's a little gingerbread man, but he's dressed up as a cowboy. Isn't that so cute? Yeah. Okay, so we are going to roll the die.
I knew it was Easter
because of the Easter egg basket, yeah. So whatever number we roll, that's the challenge that gets the bill. We're gonna do 1 bill and
2.
Okay, so that one's number 2. Go again. And tell me the number.
It was 4.
4, okay.
4.
4 again?
Yeah. 2.
2.
3.
3.
5.
Okay.
1.
1. 1 got the spicy 5. Okay. We still have another spicy 5 in here, I think.
4.
4. We need to roll a 6. Can you roll a 6?
Okay, I'll try.
Well, just don't try to cheat, but just roll it with your good luck charm. 3. Okay. 5. Look it. 5 got the spicy 5. The other spicy 5. So spicy.
1.
1. Okay.
5.
5? All right. Okay, so number 6 didn't get any, but that's okay. This one is from Overthinking and Budgeting, and this will be saving for Christmas next year. Okay.
So, we put those into pouches for, those days?
Yeah, so we're going to count them. We're going to check off the items so that we can keep track of whether the challenge is complete or not. Okay, so let me put these here like this. We're going to stack them up. Okay, so this one is by Save It Mel, and it says, "You're the heart I've been searching for," and we have little envelopes. So how many dollars did we get?
This both.
Yeah.
Got 1, 2,
Well, so this one is how many dollars?
5,
5. So 5,
1,
6. Yep. So we got $6 here. And so we get to cross off all of these envelopes and 1, 2, 3, 4. And
Why did you do
we are going to take out $2 here because we have $2 extra to put somewhere. Isn't that fun?
Why
Okay.
is there 4 here?
Fours? Oh, I don't know. It's a good question because every dollar is unique, I guess. It has unique numbers. Okay, you ready to count? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So $12 in our Valentine's Day challenge here. And so we're going to put this in a paper clip. And
So like their challenges, sometimes you could do them.
their challenges, yeah. And we're going to put it in here, which is our completed challenges bag. Do you want to put it in? Not that.
Oh.
The challenge. Here, put these aside. We're going to figure out where to put these in a second. There you go. All right. And we finished that one challenge today. Let's see what else we got, okay? Okay. So how many dollars did we get for this one? You want to count them?
1, 2.
$2. Yeah. So we got to fill in 2 little coins. Do you want to color these ones in? Okay, so fill in this coin and this coin, okay? And so for this challenge, guys, we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 so far. So while Aria is counting that, I am going to move on to the next one. Oh, this St. Patrick's Day one is by Windmill Ridge Budgets. And that is a set of her March Madness freebies. So this one got $2. So we get to cross off 2 of these little hearts here. So we have $1 left to finish this one. I wonder where we could get $1 extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Do we have $1 extra from any other challenges? We do? Where? Right here. These are extra, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so do you think we should take $1 from here and finish this challenge too? Okay, because do you know what Mommy is going to use this money for?
What?
These Valentine's Day challenges are going to be for me to buy you a little Valentine's Day gift.
Like I really like big stuff.
Yeah, it's going to be a good one. So I think we need to take this.
You really know I like.
I do know what you like. Yeah, because you're my baby. So I'm going to take this because Valentine's Day is coming up next week.
Oh!
So that's great.
40.
All right, are you done coloring that one? So that's great that we can finish that one. Right? All right. Thank you for coloring those.
No.
All right. Now we have, this one is for our Christmas. Do you want to?
I knew it was a Christmas because it had a tree.
Oh, you know what? I guess this one was one that I started for Valentine's Day. This should have been number 6, but that's okay because number 6 didn't get any money anyways. So, you knew this was Christmas? Yeah.
Because
Can you count the money that we got? How many dollars did we get this time?
2, 3.
$3. Do you want to cross off 3 little Christmas trees? Okay.
So like you could like do your best thing of that. How many? 3?
3. Good job. Awesome. Okay, not that one. We have 1 more Christmas tree to cross off. I wonder if we have an extra $1 somewhere. Oh! That one, should we use that one for this and finish it? Yeah? Okay. So, can you cross off the last Christmas tree? Awesome. And let me count how much we have, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18. Woohoo! Yeah,
That's
18.
a lot.
And I'm going to write 18 on here so we don't forget. $18.
Did I try to write one?
Yeah, you want to write 18 on there? Okay, while Aria's doing that, I am going to move on to this last challenge here. Oh, so this Christmas one, by the way, hold on. I'm going to tell them where the challenge is from when you're done writing your 18. Wow, good job. Nice. So this one is by Blessed Budgets by Abigail. I don't know if y'all noticed that, but she made this challenge. So thank you so much. I've been so bad at telling y'all where the challenges are coming from tonight. Okay, do you want to paper clip it together?
Mm-hmm.
And then put it in our bag, yeah.
Who
is Blessed Budgets by Abigail?
No, just who got the Easter one.
Oh, who made the Easter one?
Yeah.
Here, let me paper clip it and you can put it in the bag, okay? The person who made the Easter one her channel is called Canadian Finance Journey and her name is Bobby.
Did you make one?
I have made some, yeah.
How many?
You know the bear one? You know this one? This one is one that Mommy made.
Oh.
Yeah. Which I guess I forgot to say, huh? Okay, nice. So we have those challenges done. And we have how many dollars here, baby?
1, 5,
5, 6, 7. So we get to cross off 7 carrots. Do you want to cross off the carrots?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Cross off 7 of them. I'll help you count, okay? So starting with this one.
I know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 left to go in this one.
And then we'll put it in there.
And then we'll put it in there. Yeah, guess what Mommy's going to use this money for?
What?
For your Easter basket. So let's count this money and we'll be done, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Phew. All right, so we will need to get a few new challenges. Gingerbread Cowboy. Yeah, is that your favorite one?
Yum, yum, yum.
Okay.
Yum, yum, yum.
All right, so let's say goodbye to everyone.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye. We'll see you in the next
Thanks for
video.
watching.
Go say whatever you want.
Thanks for watching this video.
All right, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.